Hello, with this video, we are starting a series in which we are going to create inventory management solution from the scratch using a tool called PHPMaker. PHPMaker is a very simple yet powerful automation tool which can generate full set of PHP code for your business. Using this tool, you can save a lot of time and money and create a solution which will helpful for your business. With this tool, you can create a website which multiple users can log in, add, edit, delete, and update data on the website. The website can be accessed from the mobile or desktop or any browser. You can have multiple types of report like cross tab report, dashboard, line chart, area, pie chart. There are various options for that. Not only inventory management solution, you can develop various solution for your business. Like for hotel, they can develop hotel management system and manage their business. For hospital, there is option for document management system right from the customer relationship management, housing management, tenant management, church management. So using this tool, a small businesses and mid-sized businesses can utilize their time and money and invest into this and have system as per their convenience. You can see throughout this video series, we will be developing inventory management solution which is very useful and generic system for many kind of businesses. We'll be developing right from the database. We'll see how you can connect PHPMaker with that. We'll see how you can configure options and generate a solution for it. We'll be covering various advanced features of PHPMaker as well, like multi-user, also master del, various reports, user login, registration, and many more. So please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so that you will not miss any update from this channel. If you have any query or project related to PHPMaker, you can connect us on learn.phpmaker.help@gmail.com, or you may type your message in the comment box. Let us know if you have any problem related to PHPMaker and we will be help you. Thank you for watching the video.